we are doing something fun. We are talking about our summer bucket list, but this isn't just any ordinary summer bucket list. This is our last summer in Utah.
Millie and I have matching hair on this beautiful Saturday morning. And I told Julie, no sleeping in.
You asked me for the camera so you could put it on my face that I just woke up.
Yeah.
No.
We have 5 good reasons why we can't sleep in this morning. What do you think they are?
We're cleaning the church.
Nope. This is number 1 right here.
Yeah, she woke up.
She woke us up.
Cleaning the church. And Landon insists on doing yard work even though we've already done our yard work for the week. I said, let's just enjoy Saturday.
I will enjoy it by getting stuff done. Wakey wakey time.
You're just always finding things to do. I was like, we've already mowed and weeded. He's like, but I have to do this, this, and this. I'm like, let's just enjoy our Saturday. Let's play with the kids and have fun and, you know, relax, sleep in. But that didn't happen.
She lives. She's out of the bed.
Put that camera away, you jerk.
Well, you went straight to making our bed. Our church is doing a 30-day healthy habits challenge. Our goal is to make our bed every day for 30 days.
And so part of this challenge is fun. So make your bed every day for 30 days. You get like a point or something. And then no sugary drinks or soda pop for 30 days. That's an extra like few points. Any like exercise, and we're just like keeping track. And then at the end of the summer, they're going to do this like big ward, just our church like activity, and give prizes and awards and stuff. So the kids are like making their beds every day. It's great. I should still be in bed.
No, wake up! And we're helping, we're happy.
Hi.
Therefore we all love her so.
I was afraid Lucy was going to come into my room this morning, so I had to cover it all up. But that's her birthday, so I need to get it all wrapped up.
Guten Morgen, Sonnenschein! Guten Morgen, everyone. Let's go clean the church. Can't go hot tubbing at friends at night if you can't wake up in the morning.
Healthy Habits Challenge. Make your beds.
Make your beds.
Why is it so early?
It's not.
Almost 8 o'clock.
Yes, open that up. Get some sunshine in here. So I know I've talked about this for years because we love these beds, but look how easy this was for Cooper to make his bed. All he did was take a zipper and zip it up, and that was it. Just pull that side tight too. Yeah, pull it nice and tight and zip that side. Betty's Beds. I always have a link in my description. They are the best beds. We've had these ones for how many years? I think 5 years, and the quality is still like, they're still really nice. I like your choice of water bottle, buddy.
Thank you.
Today is Porter's second soccer game.
Finally.
Finally, yeah, we had to miss a few because we were traveling on Saturdays. But
We're excited to see you go out there and run your butt off.
go number 16, woo woo!
More.
Looks like I was in charge of snacks today. Emma so kindly volunteered to stay home while Millie took a nap, so that will be nice because last time Millie kept running out onto his soccer game.
It's called the stadium sack.
Not to be confused with a sleeping bag, but it is an actual stadium sack. Put up the hood.
So you can stay warm on a cold day watching your brother play.
I said grab a jacket, and this is what he grabbed. Zip it up.
Stay nice and warm. Sweet.
There's one that went right by you, but you were looking the wrong direction.
You're gonna get out there, you're gonna kick butt. it, Porter. Get up there. Get it. Go, go, go. Get it down towards the goal. Go, Porter, go.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, get down there for him. Go get it, Porter. Go get it.
Not happy about it.
You are so patient with me. I love you.
Well, I love you because you're actually doing work and making our place look nice, and I just wanted to sit inside all day, so.
I know, but I know you didn't want to plant a garden and interseed the grass and make it look good, but like when we go to sell our house, someone will see like, oh, they've taken good care of this place.
I know.
And then it'll be easier to sell our house and we'll feel pride in our home.
Thank you, thank you. This is like, let me just show you guys. We have tons of dead patches like this everywhere. It's like, oh, the grass looks so nice and wonderful, and then you come over here and it's like, bam, dead spot. Oh, another big dead spot. So we were just planting grass seed, trying to make it look more full. If there is one yard work job or task that is like Landon's biggest pet peeve, it would be the sprinkler system.
Yes.
He absolutely hates dealing with sprinkler systems, and the sprinkler system in this yard is the absolute worst. It is terrible.
I don't mind doing the sprinklers if they're done right the first time and I'm just like making minor repairs. Oh, nearly.
No, they're really bad here.
Awful.
Is it raining? I don't think she wants it over her head. Is it raining? Yeah? Are your feet getting wet?
No.
Do you want the umbrella?
No.
Fast forward to Sunday afternoon where we are getting ready for church, and we actually have a full hour and we are pretty much ready for church. You guys, that never happens.
It's a miracle.
It's a miracle. So what we are doing, we've got the kids gathered around and we are doing something fun. We are talking about our summer bucket list, but this isn't just any ordinary summer bucket list. This is our last summer in Utah, because as you know, we are going to be moving and we have not said yet where we are moving to. So keep an eye out on the next coming up videos. No, don't say it. Shh. Because we are waiting to sign the contract. We have not announced where we are moving yet. So keep watching, but we do know for sure that we are moving. So kids, as we are here in Utah, what are some fun things that you want to do before we move and leave?
Hikes.
Yes, we have these beautiful mountains. We will take advantage of them.
I want to take you guys up mountain biking as well.
Yeah, we could probably swim in our pool. We could probably go
Splash Summit. A really cool big water park. We love Splash Summit. And Lagoon, yes. I have to put a plug in here for the Get Out Pass. If you don't know what the Get Out Pass is and you're part of the states that are like a part of this program, you guys, it is so fun. Splash Summit Water Park, Lagoon, this is all included in this one pass that we have. So definitely.
I have something to
So I
say.
put Splash Summit and Lagoon. Okay.
We did do a museum.
Museum, okay.
Oh, we were just talking about going to the Air Force Museum. Aunt Bonnie lives up by the Air Force Museum, up by the Hill Air Force Base. We could go see that with the cousins. That'd be fun.
With cool airplanes.
Indoor skydiving.
Indoor skydiving.
Yeah, can we do that? There's one.
I think
I want to do things like outside, things that
think
you
it would
can't
be
do in the
fun to
winter.
Jump on the tramp. Or we want to move with the tramp.
Oh, sleep on the trampoline.
Yeah.
Sleep on the trampoline.
trampoline sleep out. Paddle boarding.
Yes,
We got our
Mom.
paddle boards. I think it would be fun to go rock climbing. Mom doesn't love me.
No,
taking
because
rock
it scares
climbing.
me.
Even indoor?
I have heard horror stories of like rock climbing. It makes me nervous. We can do like an indoor rock climbing thing, but no, like actual outdoor rock climbing, it gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Okay.
I'm a baby.
I think it'd be fun to take our bikes down to the river trail and do a bike all the way out to the lake and back. And like we'll take a picnic and make it fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Millie can sit on the back of my bike.
Maybe cousin sleepover? Like,
A cousin sleepover.
yeah, because,
And a grandpa sleepover, like go to grandpa Deru's house.
yeah. Grandma Griffiths.
Maybe we'll have to yeah, go all the way to Serbia.
Take the train up to Logan. Because that was the last time. Not Logan.
It'd be fun to take it all the way to Ogden and then get off and go to like the train museum that's there and like the Union Station. Go to This Is the Place one more time. That's the place to go in the
This
summer.
is the place, Heritage Park.
Yeah, that was fun. Can we go to
Any of these things that we do, we can do with cousins.
my friends?
I would love to go up to either Uncle Alex's house or Uncle Brandon's house and do like a fire pit and ride horses.
Horses!
We have a Cherry Hill Day. Grandpa and Grandma give us a day at the water park for Christmas.
Goat yoga. No.
That's a pretty good list. Look at that.
We need more.
Amidst all of that, we have to keep our house clean and our yard looking nice so we can sell it. And lots of things to
Pack
do.
and pack and pack.
Yeah.
Put things like that in
Can we
boxes.
go horseback riding?
Yes, it's on there. Horseback riding with cousins.
Okay, well it sounds like we have a full summer ahead of us. Keep watching, subscribe if you have not already. We've got a lot to get done around here, so we will close the vlog here and we will see you guys next time. Happy Sunday.
Subscribe, ring the bell, and comment down in the description. Wait, no!
Yeah, you did it!